Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday today, and the last day of 2024, the year of 2024. Tomorrow is the new year of 2025. Here comes Amtrak San Joaquin Train 711, also mentioned as 711. This is your train to Oakland JLS Square, and SC44 Siemens Charger leaded this one off. It is 21:08. And Cat Car 8302 Mount Shasta. There goes your westbound or northbound destination of this train to Oakland JLS Square. Amtrak San Joaquin Train 711, also mentioned as 711. This is the first San Joaquin train that runs this direction to Oakland JLS Square, and every morning. Thank you for watching, and happy Tuesday, last day of 2024.